Today I will be sharing my fall skincare routine. Now that the weather is getting a bit colder, my skin is starting to get a little drier and I've had to switch up my routine a bit. If you aren't already, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button to be a part of the fam. And I also did an Instagram reel for this routine, so you can go ahead and check that out on my Instagram as well. And without further ado, let's get into the routine. So usually I have oily, acne-prone skin, but now that it is getting a little drier, I'm starting to get a little bit more of a combo situation, and my skin needs some more hydrating ingredients. So starting with cleanser, I'm going to take the Holi Tashmoo Waterlily cleanser. I love this because it has more of a cream and lotion consistency, and it's meant to hydrate and calm inflammation and irritation, which my drier acne skin definitely needs right now. Some great ingredients like panthenol to help hold moisture, and as well as aloe and vitamin E to help strengthen the skin barrier. For toner, I'm going to take the Dermalogical Clear Start Micro Pore Mist Toner, which is going to help with my acne and scarring. It has niacinamide, which I love, and it helps me skip a step when I'm feeling a bit lazy. It also has some witch hazel to help a bit with oil control, panthenol, and hyaluronic acid. I actually have just started using this toner and I'm not 100% sure how I feel about it yet. As you can see, I'm not sure if I'm the biggest fan of the cucumber smell. It smells like cucumber, but I don't know. Something seems a little off, so I will keep you guys updated. For eye cream, I am taking the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, which is super thick and hydrating and contains encapsulated retinol and coffee berry to help moisturize and depuff the eyes, which feels so great in the morning, especially since my under eyes have been feeling super dry lately. Next, I'm taking the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum, which has 4 types of hyaluronic acid to help plump and give skin that extra hydration. And I'm also going to take the Glow Recipe Pineapple Sea Bright Serum, which has ascorbic acid and AHAs to help with hyperpigmentation and help to brighten the skin. And I just go ahead and mix both of these together and apply them to my face as kind of a double serum step in my routine. Now I'm taking the Crave Beauty Great Barrier Relief Serum. This is a serum to help calm the skin and help soothe a damaged skin barrier that can get caused by acne and hyperpigmentation, etc. It also has tamanu oil, I think that's how you pronounce it, which helps to fade hyperpigmentation, and also rosehip oil to help soothe. I am now taking the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, and I'm actually going to be using this in place of my moisturizer. I was feeling super dry on this day, and this has a bunch of great vitamins and ceramides to help, again, soothe and hydrate, as well as vitamin C to help brighten. So if you couldn't tell by this routine, it is truly all about hydrating and soothing the skin, especially because I feel like my acne and just skin in general has just been drier and more inflamed, so we gotta calm her down. Lastly, I'm going in with this Kinship Mineral Sunscreen, which is actually targeted towards acne-prone skin, so I really wanted to give it a shot when I saw it at Ulta. It has turmeric to, again, help soothe the skin, Kinbiome, which is actually a probiotic to help support the skin barrier, as well as licorice root extract, which is a great antioxidant to help protect the skin from free radicals and UV damage. And now, of course, I'm just going to apply my Lineage Lip Sleeping Mask. I love this, especially when my lips are feeling really dry and crusty. And that is it for this fall skincare routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know down in the comments below any of your favorite products that you're kind of starting to switch in for the fall and winter months. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.